Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ayuna Valinda Prayitno, NPM 2341165, Class Management 23D. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang technical and operational aspect. What are technical and operational aspect? Technical aspect relate to technology, equipment, system, and technical specification applied in the business or production process. Operational aspect refers to the execution and management of process to ensure efficiency and effectiveness in active goals. The combination of these two elements is crucial for the sustainability and success of a business or project. Example of technical aspect implementation. 1. Manufacturing industry. As of automated machines in production line. Selection of high quality raw materials. 2. Technology industry. Implementation of AI in customer service system as of cloud computing for data storage. 3. Service industry. Online reservation system to enhance customer service efficiency, as of CRM to improve customer service. Technical aspect definition. The aspect relate to the development and application of technology, equipment, material, and production method as in the business or system. Key element of the technical aspect. 1. Innovation and technology. 2. Equipment and measuring. 3. Material and raw materials. 4. Information system and automation. 5. Standard and regulation. Operational aspect definition. An aspect relate to how a system or business operation daily to achieve target efficiently and effectively. Key element of the operational aspect. 1. Production management. 2. Result management. 3. Logistic and distribution. 4. Quality control. 5. Performance evaluation and improvement. Example of operational aspect implementation. 1. Retail industry. Efficient inventory management. Automate cashier system to speed up transaction. 2. Transportation industry. Route and schedule management based on data. Optimization of fuel as for cost efficiency. 3. Health care industry. Digital scheduling of appointment. Hospital, medication, inventory management. Comparison of technical and operational aspect. Technical aspect. Yang pertama, focus on the division and technology as relate to product detail, equipment, and raw material. Include element of innovation and information system. Example, closing message for production. Operational aspect focus on how processes are executed, relate to result management and work efficiency, involves production planning, logistics, and distribution management. Example, scheduling product manufacturing. Challenge in technical and operational aspect. Technical aspect challenge 1. Choosing the right technology. 2. High investment cost for new tools and systems. 3. The rapid pace of innovation requires adaptation. Operational aspect challenge 1. Complex resource management. 2. Operation efficiency on a large scale. Meeting quality standard and customer satisfaction. Solution: invest in approach technology and implement effective operational strategy.
Let's start by asking the question, why is it important that we define words or terms? Defining terms clearly is very important and helps everyone in many ways. When we define terms well, everyone understands what those words mean the same way. This stops people from getting confused and makes sure that everyone can communicate well, especially in school or work. In research, when we use the same definitions, it helps other scientists do their experiments the same way. Also, in school, having clear definitions makes it easier to learn new and difficult ideas. Lastly, when we talk or debate with others, clear definitions help us understand each other better and avoid arguing about misunderstandings. So, defining terms helps us share ideas more effectively and learn from each other. Today, we're going to learn about two very important ideas called technical and operational definitions. These are terms we use a lot in different areas of study, and understanding them will really help you as you continue to learn more in school. Let's start with technical definitions. A technical definition tells us the exact meaning of a word in a specific area, like science or math. For example, in physics, force is something that makes objects move or stop moving. Imagine you're pushing a shopping cart. The push you give is a force. This definition uses special terms that people who study physics will understand. In psychology, which is the study of how people think and feel, force can mean something a bit different. Here it might be about the invisible pressures or influences that make people act in certain ways. For example, if someone feels forced to fit in with friends, the force is the peer pressure they're feeling. In legal terms, force can be used to talk about making someone do something they don't want to do. This might come up in discussions about laws and rights. For example, if a law says that someone was forced to sign a contract, it means they were pressured or threatened into signing it. Next, we have operational definitions. These are used mostly in research to describe how we measure something or decide what it counts as. For instance, if researchers want to study how well students understand what they read, they might define reading comprehension as the ability to answer 80% of the questions correctly on a reading test. This way, everyone knows exactly how reading comprehension is being measured in that particular study. Another example is if we're studying about people's happiness. The operational definition would be the score obtained from answers to a questionnaire about feelings and activities related to happiness. To measure happiness, we might ask students to fill out a survey that asks how often they smile, if they enjoy talking with friends at school, and whether they like their classes. The scores from these surveys help us understand how happy students feel. Another study about student engagement in class. Engagement would have the operational definition of the number of times a student participates in class discussions, plus their attendance and homework submission records. To understand how engaged students are in their learning, we can look at how often they contribute to class talks, how regularly they attend classes, and if they consistently hand in their homework. These indicators help us measure their involvement in school activities. Lastly, if we want to measure success in a specific research study, the operational definition would be the achievement of key educational goals, specifically measured by improvements in grades, graduation rates, or the percentage of students achieving proficiency in tests over the school year. Why are these definitions so important? Well, technical definitions make sure that when we use words, everyone knows exactly what we mean. This helps prevent confusion. Operational definitions are important because they make sure that everyone measures things the same way in experiments or studies, which helps researchers understand if their findings are reliable. To conclude this video lesson, Always pay attention to how terms are defined in your classes and in the books you read. Ask yourself, what does this word really mean in this context? And how do we measure this idea? Knowing the answers will help you understand and use these concepts better in your own studies. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing how you apply these ideas in your work.
Itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. Semoga bermanfaat. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.